All right, now we're going to show you how to do the horizontal window on a ambush hunting blind for the vinyl camo. You're going to open the window to the inside of the unit, lay your vinyl out, make sure you have the logo so it looks like it's upside down. And you can see ambush here, it's upside down, so that when you close your window it will be right side up. So you're going to start by flipping this over towards you so it's actually the right way now, and peel the backing the whole length, and put a crease in it, flip it back over and line it up with the window again. If you struggle, you can peel it up and start over. So there, I got it pressed down along the edge of the window frame. And you're going to take your smoother applicator and push it down and pull your paper off. And then you're going to peel it up to where you smoothed it in the center and smooth towards the edge of the window. And you'll do the same on the other half. And then just smooth towards the outside edge of the window, kind of pushing it under the frame. And again, be careful on the corners because it will rip. And take your knife and just cut around the edges again. And peel off what you just cut off and smooth your edges, your cut edges one more time. And there's your finished product.
Ambush, making moments that matter.